What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll show you or discuss with you which one is better, GearUP Booster or UU Game Booster. So, in this case, you may be comparing GearUP Booster here and UU Game Booster. Well, there are some differences that you may need to know. So let's start with GearUP Booster. Now think of GearUp as the more versatile and flexible option here. It works across a bunch of platforms, PC, mobile, and even consoles, which is a big win here if you game on multiple devices. Now it's also easy to use, lets you switch servers quickly and use smart routing to help reduce ping and packet loss, which just basically means smoother and more stable gameplay. Now, if you're someone who hops between games or devices, or you're gaming internationally, well, Gear Up is probably the better overall choice here. It gives you solid global support, and it's built for people who want a clean all-in-one booster. Now, next let's go and discuss UU Game Booster. Now, UU Game Booster is more targeted. It's especially good if you mostly play on mobile and often connect to Asian servers, particularly in Chinese games. Now, it's known for reducing lag really well, that specific context there. But it's more limited here. It doesn't support as many platforms, and it may not be as ready easy to use if you're outside of Asia or dealing with international game servers. Now, in this case, you might still be wondering which one should you pick. So if you use multi-platform or you're a multi-platform gamer or want something that works worldwide, then go with GearUP Booster. Now, if you're focused on mobile games, primarily play on Asian servers, then especially in Chinese servers here, well, in this case, you may want to use U Game Booster is going to be a lot better for you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.